Namaste, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today, in our session, we have discussed about different types of polysaccharides, pigments, and lipids. What is the pigments and what is the role of the microbes? A number of different kinds of pigments are produced by microorganisms. The pigments vary in color from red, yellow, orange, purple. These pigments have been subjected to the lot of research, not only their color, nature, but also because they are play important role in photosynthesis, photoprotection, and pathogenesis. Yet other pigments are interesting because their functional role is unclear. One of its later class of the pigments, that the xanthomonas, is the topic of the thesis. This chapter or this session, we have read about the different kinds of structure of function of xanthomonas and other types of microbial pigments like other carotenoids, melanins, and emphasize all pigments possibilities. First, we have talked about the xanthomonas. The genus Xanthomonas is the comprise almost entirely of the plants and the pathogens. The affected plant, including representatives from the practically all major group of higher plants, Xanthomonas gram-negative and aerobic rod-shaped bacteria with a single polar flagellum. A characteristics feature of this genus is production of copious amount of extracellular polysaccharides. Another distinguished feature of that most xanthomonas produce yellow pigments called xanthomonidins, which distinct from the yellow pigments produced by the Ervina pseudomonas, and this characteristics present the xanthomonidin is the member of the genus Xanthomonas had lead them to use the chemotoxic and the diagnostic marker. Talk about the xanthomonidin pigment. Xanthomonidin was reported firstly located in the cytoplasmic membrane of Stephens and the star by the Stephens and star. The membrane bound nature of the pigments was determined based on the kinetic of release of the pigment from the cell and some kinds of sonic treatment. It was observed that the cell subjected to the sonic and the blastic distinction released xanthomonidin at the rate of identical to that membrane components. And there are some kinds of recently at the 23 kb gene cluster required for the xanthomonidin as biosynthesis. By you can use xanthomonas camprecitative species, and after it, so many scientists have work on these pigment, identify from the so many bacteria, and there are so some kind of the and Xanthomonas oryza also a particular provide xanthomonidin pigments. That microorganism also we can isolate these xanthomonidin pigment. Now we have talked about the carotenoid pigment. Carotenoid are the isoparanoids containing characteristics and generally they can be polynate gel conjugated double bonds and are located into the chromatophores and different types of which are continuous and cytoplasmic membranes. The two groups of carotenoids are known as the keratins and or hydrocarbons. They are oxygenated derived called xanthophylls. Unlike xanthomonidins that found exclusively from the xanthomonads and carotenoids are present not only the bacteria but also the photosynthetic algae, plants, and some kinds of fungi. About 600 carotenoids are known to be occur naturally, with most of these being considerable similar to each other in the structures generally. And if we the carotenoids in photosynthetic bacteria, how do we isolate or where it is present, we can discuss here. Approximately 13 different carotenoids have been identified from the photosynthetic bacteria, And photosynthetic bacteria are divided into the two classes, which is purple photosynthetic bacteria and green photosynthetic bacteria. All purple photosynthetic bacteria contain acyclic carotenoids and spiruligin, and it contrasts the green photosynthetic bacteria, the characteristic by the presence of aromatic carotenoids. And the first study of provide evidence of the photoprotection was carotenoid were present in mutant photosynthetic purple bacterium. And we can isolate photosynthetic bacteria. We can isolate carotenoids from the known photosynthetic bacteria in number of unique C30, C45, and C50 carotenoids are found in a known photosynthetic bacteria. Photoprotection offered by the carotenoids in non-photosynthetic bacteria firstly demonstrated by the Matthew in 1959. We can isolate carotenoids from the fungal also, and many fungal species are characterized by the presence of carotenoids pigment. Both carotenes and the xanthophylls have been reported. They can be found among Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, Mycomycetes, two fungi, especially Spiridiobulus and the and Dictyriophoenix showed an increase in the sensitivity to light in the pigment was absent, indicating the role of the carotenoid pigments in photoprotection. It is isolated by the by the Margilinth in 1992. Melanin pigments. Now we have talked about our melanin pigments. The black pigment often observed microbes or considered by the melanin, and melanin-like pigment are brownish or black pigment obtained by the oxidation of the aromatic amino acid. And the principally tyrosine accomplished by the polymerization of the resulting derivatives. Melanin are produced by the number of bacteria, the marine bacterium like Schlevania, protease, and rhizobium as well as. And the number of other microbes like Serratia, Streptomycetes have been shown to produce melanin, and melanin-like pigments and presence of the tyrosine as identified by the Trias and the Megranthine in 1992. A few Xanthomonas species have been observed to produce brown pigment, and some fungi are also produce melanin, and that structure is showing in that we can be identify melanin from its hyphae and conidia. And the number of photogenic fungi also produce melanin, and so many scientists have been worked on this pigments and which bacteria, which fungi isolated. For example, in human pathogenic fungi, Cryptococcus, also we can isolate melanin and the polysaccharide coats, and several fungi are melanin have been shown provide protection to the fungal spores and against ultraviolet and solar radiations. Survival of conidia and the sclerotia over prolonged periods is be correlated with the presence occurrence of the melanins, and the genes of responsible for melanin biosynthesis have been described by the Streptomyces antibioticus from the number of Rhizophus species. A great many other pigments we can discuss in this chapter, and there are so many. So we have talked about few kinds of melanin, few kinds of pigments. First we have talked about the Xanthomonas, which is Xanthomonas xanthomidine, and after that we have talked about the carotenoids. After that we have talked about the melanin pigments. So in this session, we have talked about three types of pigment. Generally, it can be isolated from the many bacteria, many fungi, many algae, few kinds of melanin isolated from the fungi, and some kinds of melanin isolated from the algae, photosynthetic, non-photosynthetic algae, and some kind of bacteria isolated from the so many things. So this is all about this chapter, and if we have talk about the examination point of view, they can be asked you write down the any 4 or 3 pigments, and they can ask you an objective type question. Write down, they can give you one question. They show 4 options. They can be asked, just tell me any non photosynthetic bacteria who can isolated the xanthomonas and xanthomonidin pigment. So you have to know about which one is the non photosynthetic bacteria. So if you know about these things, so you can easily identify the answer. So you have to know all these things about this chapter, and all 3 pigments. Thank you so much.